Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing houseofluxe.com. So right off the bat, as you can see, we have it here on the website and see that this image is very clearly AI generated. So as you can see, they're selling cheap knockoffs of these rings and jewelry for cheap. So as you can see, for only $30. So please do not order from them in the hopes of getting real or original gold or silver or emeralds or any jewelry for that matter. So as you can see, there's just these are just AI generated images right here, and as you can see, and here on Trustpilot they're rated 2.8 out of 5 stars, which is average, with a lot of 1-star reviews. So as you can see, absolute scam, House of Luxe, scam, do not buy from House of Luxe. I don't know where the 5 stars come from. Maybe they're inflated. They're just staff of this website, the scammers. Avoid scam alert, scam website, do not buy from this company, and that is basically it. So please guys, do not order from this company. They're very obviously a scam, and that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.